Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to fix the 404 page not found error on GitHub Pages. This is a common issue, but it is usually just a quick setting fix. Let's get right to it. First, you need to verify your publishing source. Open your repository on GitHub, click on Settings in the top menu, and then select Pages from the left sidebar. Under the Build and Deployment section, make sure the source is set to Deploy from a branch. Then, check that your branch is set to main or master and the folder is set to root. If these were set to none or the wrong branch, change them and click Save. You should see a yellow or green bar at the top of that page telling you the status of your deployment. Next, check your file names and structure. GitHub Pages is case sensitive, and it specifically looks for a file named index.html in your root directory to act as the home page. If your file is named index.html with a capital I, or if it is named something like home.html, you will get a 404 error. Make sure your main file is named exactly index.html in all lowercase and sits in the main folder of your repository, not tucked away in a subfolder unless you have specifically configured GitHub to look there. Then you should check your repository visibility and account plan. If you are on a free GitHub plan, your repository must be set to public for GitHub Pages to work. If you recently switch your repository from public to private, your site will immediately go offline with a 404 error. You can check this by scrolling to the very bottom of your general settings to the section called Danger Zone. Finally, give it some time and clear your browser cache. Sometimes a successful deployment can take up to 10 minutes to actually propagate across GitHub servers. If your settings look perfect but you still see the error, try opening your site in an incognito window or adding a / and index.html to the very end of your URL to force the browser to find the file. If this quick troubleshooting guide helped you get your site back online today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.